Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. So right now on UHRS we have text ads, find brand and shopping related terms. So guys, the pay rate is somewhat low, but if you can't find any work on UHRS, then you should continue with these low paying jobs also to increase your earning. So that is the issue. Okay, and we have this. So the query here, we need to judge whether the query is has brand name, purchase intent, and not sure. So first of all, you need to read the guidelines by yourself. And for this um, query, like Quicken Loan, if we need to research, we have a research panel here. Sometimes it will be populated, sometimes it will not populate. So in that case, you need to click on this query and the research panel that is from Microsoft Bing will be shown. Okay, so we can see that Quicken Loans, it is a mortgage lender from Microsoft Bing, and they have their own uh, website, America's largest mortgage, quickenloans.com. So from this, we can identify that Quicken Loans is the brand name. So we just need to click on the brand this, and if you hover over this question mark, we can see that the definition of brand is popping up. So according to the definition, Quicken Loan is the brand name, right? There is no purchase intent like loan review or something like that, or download or something. These are the purchase intent. Okay, so okay, and not sure is, I will clarify that also. So we can see that brand name is Quicken Loan. So I just uh, click on this and we can select that Quicken Loan, and you just need to submit. So okay, submitted. So basically, you have to identify three parts. One is brand, one is purchase intent, and if there is a gibberish or non-English part, then you need to mention it in not sure. Okay, so let's see this query now. We can see from this research panel that region ox sings from region ox, right? Region ox, uh, we can't identify this. Maybe this is not in English. Single bowl kitchen sink, but I don't think this is in English. So let's see. Click on that. Regi drain. Okay, Regi drain. So the brand name here is Region Ox, and click on that link, and it is the model name, maybe the Regi Drain OKG, and it is a type of product which is a sink, right? So from this research, we can identify that this is the company or brand name, Regi Drain single bowl kitchen sink. This is the product type, and this is the model name, right? See, this is the model name. Okay, and it is a type of sink. So there is no purchase intent because we have product, we have model name, we have brand name, but there is no purchase intent. because there is no word like reviews or cost or something like that. So that means that there is a purchase intent, but there is no word like that. So I just choose the brand name and click the submit button. Another query is there, and there is a research panel. I prefer to click on this query to find information about this. I prefer it, but you can also prefer for this research panel, but I don't prefer it. I just click on this and a separate tab with search result popped up on my screen, and we can see here that bed and bath coupons, right? Bed, bath and beyond, this is the chain of retail shop of retail bed and bath. And yeah, so I think bed, bath, these are the brand names. And coupons, if you such if you consult the guideline, you can see an example where coupons is a purchase intent, right? Because the user want to find the coupons for bed and bath brand name or company name, company products. So I just choose bed and bath as brand and purchase intent is coupon. See the what does a low white blood cell count mean? So this is the perfect example of not sure, because does low white blood cell count mean? All are not sure because there is no brand name. It is an informational query. Okay, there is no purchase intent because it is not a product. So not sure is does low. All of these are not sure. So if there is no brand name, no purchase intent, then you should choose this not sure. And I just click on the submit button. So this is the thing, and from this query you can see that Google Ping test, Google is the brand name. So you have to research by yourself. You have to think about from this research. You need to think and you need to judge. First of all, you need to consult the guidelines, then consult my video, and it will help you to understand this hitapp and happy earning. So if you like this video, you can press the like button. You need to share more these videos to your friends and families who are working on this platform. And please guys, subscribe for more informative videos like this. Please subscribe. You people are not subscribing, right? So you should subscribe so that I can help you in a better way. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.